is my setup. I've got these solar panels on all the windows, so that way I have privacy, and then a blanket held up by a bungee cord, a little pad for my bed, and then I've got some pillows and then a battery powered fan. I'm ready to go. I'm on my way to Asheville to spend the night in my car, and I gotta say I'm a little nervous right now, but you know, you're not living life unless you're, you know, conquering fear and challenging yourself like this. So I'm going to sleep in a Walmart parking lot in my car because I'm glamorous like that. I figured I would document it so you guys could see everything that I see and go on this whole adventure with me.
Starting route to Vortex Donuts. In 2 miles, keep right onto right.
Let the water run. Let the ground let me fall inside. Alright, so I made it. I'm in Asheville. I just parked in the Walmart. I was originally gonna go to the Vortex Donuts place like right away, but it's so busy in Asheville right now. And then there's a sign right in front of me that says no overnight truck or RV parking. I'm not a truck or an RV, so should be okay. But it's real fancy here. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna make a little itinerary and then get going. Okay, so hopefully you can kind of see me. But I am working on setting up my little area before I get out of here and call an Uber, take me downtown. And I totally feel sketchy. But here is my little setup and a little blanket. So I'll be ready when I get back. I just got dropped off downtown Asheville. I'm trying to figure out where I want to go. Vortex Donuts is closed by the time I got out here. So I'm just walking around. Just walked by a animal rights protest, so that's kind of neat. Sad I didn't get it on camera, but it happened really fast. So we'll see where I end up.
Yes, you can. I used to be singer makeup.
This is my new friend, Allison. Say hi.
Probably go to four. We probably go to four.
New friend. Watching stars. Watching stars.
I want to give birth naturally.
Following where life leads. Watching stars. Watching stars. Alright, so I spent my first night in a car, and it wasn't that bad. Well, I didn't film a lot because I got back at like 4 in the sorry, I'm going to Vortex to get some donuts and coffee. I got home to the car at like 4 in the morning, and I met a friend. Well, first I met like 6 friends, and then they left, but I was still hanging out with this new friend, Stefan, and he's traveling too, so he camped next to my car, and now he's following me right now to go get some donuts and coffee. When I got there, so he dropped me off in his car, and we were like setting up camp, and I took off my shoes and he was getting in his car, and then a police car pulls up, and they're like, "Are you guys about ready to leave?" And we're like, "Yes, sir." And then so we're standing there, and it's like kind of awkward because we don't know what to do. Like, should we just risk it or what? And then all of a sudden, like maybe 10 minutes later, when we're about to just be like, well, if they come back, we'll leave, this security truck comes and puts on its little lights or whatever, its little yellow lights, and I'm like, ah, wonderful. At this point, I've already taken off my shoes and stuff, and I'm trying to get into the car, or I got into the car, and I didn't want like them to check out my setup and see that I actually am gonna camp out. So I got out of the car and tried to quickly put on my shoes. Only got one on, so I looked like a hot mess anyway. And then the guy was so nice though. He was like, you know, they had changed it about a year ago where you guys can't camp out here anymore, but everyone is over at the Kohl's parking lot. He's like, yeah, no one will bother you over there. And so that gave me a lot of peace of mind, which was awesome. I only got like 4-5 hours of sleep. So now I'm gonna go hang out with Stefan for a little bit longer before I go to my concert. It's kind of cool, making friends and stuff in strange places. Oh, those girls that I was hanging out with got a little nuts. The one girl was so drunk, the one that actually approached me was so drunk that she like fell over into a tree. I need coffee. Real bad. I need coffee. Off. This is how you like attach it to things. You like have the little thing in the bottom. I hope you get stuck in it.
Oh, he got in it.
Okay. I'm like... Just enjoying Sunday at the park. I'm really tired, even though I slept like 4 or 5 hours. I still am very, very sleepy. So we're just taking it easy. Had some amazing vegan food again at the Laughing Seed. Brunch. It was delicious. Now I'm just kind of killing time before the show. But I'm so tired. I don't know if I'll stay for the entire thing. That's Dak. Hi. Hi. Oh. Oh. Hello. New friends. on home. I'm very tired. I try to document as much as I can, but vlogging in front of people is so bizarre and weird and awkward, and I gotta get over it. So I just said goodbye to Stefan, but he was really cool. I just got some Mamacita's Mexican food because I was getting hangry and I did not want to drive when I'm hungry. But you know, that's the thing about like traveling. It's like you meet a bunch of cool people. Like I met those really awesome people at the bar who brought me out and took me under their wing. And then I met Stefan by hanging out with them. And it's like I'll probably not really see much of them, you know, like, and that's kind of sad. But I had an amazing time and I won't ever forget it, my adventure. It was so much fun. Like, I don't know, it was just life-changing. I don't even know if you can see me right now because it's kind of dark. Is that better? I don't know. I don't want to drive with this on, so yeah. Thank you for watching. And I hope life treats you just as beautifully as it treated me this weekend.